Once you have received your consumer report, please review it for accuracy. Let's take a look at a sample consumer report to help you understand what information is being reported under each section. Please know that some of the information on this sample report may vary slightly from what you'll see on your own report. The first section displays your consumer identification number. This is a unique identifier that ChexSystems creates and uses to reference your consumer file. You would always include this number along with your Social Security number in any future contact with us. The next section shows your personal information. The following personal identifiers may be included in this section: variations of your name, any addresses, phone numbers, or email addresses associated with your ChexSystems consumer file, and date of birth. The identifiers listed in this section are provided by you in your contact with ChexSystems. If you have placed a security alert or security freeze on your file, it will be noted below the personal information section. If you are the victim of identity theft and you would like to learn more on how to report identity theft and place a security alert on your file, please access the Identity Theft tab at the top of our homepage. To learn more about placing a security freeze on your file, please access the Security Freeze tab at the top of our homepage. The remaining sections reflect information submitted to ChexSystems by its clients, which consists mainly of financial institutions. Reported information. Reported information refers to a checking or savings account you held at one time, but was closed and reported to ChexSystems. For example, the closure could show that an account was closed due to mishandling or for other similar causes. Inquiries viewed by others. This section refers to transactions involving you and are the result of someone accessing your ChexSystems information, typically in connection with a business transaction you initiated with them. The company listed on this type of inquiry requested information from your consumer file on the dates specified. These inquiries may impact your consumer report and may be included in reports to others. Check cashing inquiries. The check cashing inquiry section displays inquiries received by Certegy Check Services as a result of a check cashing transaction initiated by you. Inquiries viewed only by you. This section refers to transactions you may or may not have initiated. For this reason, you may not recognize the source. These inquiries are only viewable by you and are not included in reports to others. These inquiries do not negatively impact your consumer report. Retail information. This section refers to returned checks reported by retailers and other businesses to Certegy Check Services. History of checks ordered. This area shows the check order information that has been reported to ChexSystems within the last 5 years. Social Security number validation. This section provides general validation information about the Social Security number you provided to ChexSystems. This information does not include the name of the individual to whom the number was issued or the exact date it was issued. Notices. The Notices section provides information about your right to submit a dispute and your right to place a security freeze or a security alert. A complete summary of your rights will be included with your consumer report. For more information regarding how to submit a dispute, please click on the Dispute tab located at the top of the ChexSystems homepage.